Hello ladies and gentlemen. So today, next day of doing what we are doing. Check this out what I got. It's an electronic bagpipe for training to play the real one. So I just connected to my headphones and like this, you know, I can practice. And like this I can at least learn the pipe's grip. What we have to do today, must continue cleaning as we are dismantling everything that is above. In this case, we have to make somewhere a safe place where we can have our office, because as the down part can, you know, fall, and the works will be in the lower part, the structural works, we need to clean and prepare one of the rooms in the basement that is in good condition. So like this, we can use it. You know, we prepared some glass for changing there, and otherwise, you know, we will just try today to clean it, and then we are continuing cleaning here. Also, we have to get a toilet to put it in the workshop. So I wanted to reuse an old toilet that was here because they are quite nice style, and we will get one toilet that is still in good condition. Let's try. Here we are in the zone where all the toilets were. So here there was one remaining toilet that is still in good condition, because others are, you know, completely destroyed. And it's an old one, as you can see. That's why I would like to take it. Now, you know, a toilet with this kind of device costs much, like 500 euros, something on the internet. A new one. But, you know, I would like to reuse this one. So I will have to dismantle it with this, what we will try to do now. And you see here, the same thing happened with those beams. And so finally, I think the problem remains everywhere. That's why here, I think everything needs being dismantled. Because, you know, falling is just a question of time. That's why better we make fall everything before it goes by itself. At least it's controlled. Bad luck. The exit of this toilet is going down, so it's really an old school one. Check this out. Oh wow, Château de Pannard. It's a very old Château de Pannard. I don't know if we will be able to reuse it. I would like to. Check this out. It's a very old toilet. You see? But still in nice condition. So, you know, the trouble is that the exit goes down. And what do we have in the garage, in the workshop? In the workshop we have the exit of the toilet goes like this. So, how can we do? Just put it down. Yes, well, I think that's what we will do. Because, I don't know, I would like to reuse this one. And also, cutting wood is easier than, well, In all cases, we'll have to cut the wall.
Why?
Why? Because we have to join it to the big evacuation.
Yeah.
So, but I'm wondering if this can be installed modern toilet, because you know, exit like this. Not sure that we can find something that fits well. In all cases, this one will go down. Check this out. Some beasts try to enter the chateau at night. No, I'm joking. It's just Babur who was waiting for me here, and as I closed the door, he was trying to enter. Check out my hand like this, his paw. Stan the cleaning man. No more music in Pannard until we don't do some decent space. Okay, until I'm here, let's do the second one.
This one is not working.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, but it's broken, I guess.
Do you have any other place where we can get these neons? Okay. And we'll see if it works with this one. Or maybe it's the starter, but here, yeah, it's here, the little starter.
It's not the same size.
But smaller.
Yeah.
I don't know, I just changed. Okay,
Yeah.
good, so it was the starter. We took the starter from another old lamp and it started functioning. So now I have just to close it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will continue cleaning here, putting the glass, like this you will see the final result of this room. That probably will be our temporary office or something. So, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.